You're not Jamaican if you don't?
Put ginger in everything. Jesus.
Beard with your panty.
You don't have a beer clocks.
If you don't eat dirty girl.
Work at a call center.
Jamaican if you don't?
We're gonna ask extra curry on the food.
And get one little piece of curry.
And get little piece. Me eat it already. One little piece.
Burn up your plant just a little bit so it have that little black something left and you know?
Left the pot for soak because you know I wash it.
Eat porridge.
You eat porridge?
You're not Jamaican if you don't eat fried chicken and rice and peas with curry gravy.
Jamaican if you don't?
Have a bag with other scandal bag in it.
Yeah, of course I don't.
If you don't dance, you can't dance.
Yam the Milo out of the bag when your mother says to go and mix liquor.
Don't get excited when your mommy cook curry chicken and white rice.
Not someone like this.
If you didn't hate yam as a child.
Jamaican if you don't?
Put ginger and everything.
And if your Sunday don't start with a grace thrillers.
Yam bull and beer.
Not Jamaican if you don't?
Eat patty and cocoa bread. Never scratch a knee growing up as a child. I happen to put this. You know what's them now?